What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol TGTX for TGT Therapeutics. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, not be an update. We have not covered this one on the channel in the past, so we're going to start off with a daily roadmap, just coming in and pointing out the most obvious areas of support and resistance. Then we'll talk more nuance as we drill down to the 30-minute intraday time frame. I'm not saying that every single level I click off here will be in play, especially these ones to the upside after such a nasty breakdown. And of course, we should just address that. I believe the CEO came out and said that they were going to sort of pause clinical trials at the moment. We just want to go to a weekly here. I'm trying to find some supports underneath us if this move is to continue to the downside. It's looking like the pivot low in there was 634, 650-ish area. That's probably where I would expect the chart goes to over the next couple of days here, given the fact that we are in a weekly downtrend, of course, and the intraday activity was absolutely horrendous, right? If I just go back to the daily, we closed dead on the lows. There was no sort of attempt to move higher up and over that resistance today. Let's take a closer look at the 30-minute just to get a sense for how bad it actually was. And I mean, you can see it's like it fell off a cliff. It literally did, right? It had this critical support at 1282. Once it broke, sort of sayonara, kiss this one goodbye. Let's come in with our Fibonacci's from the high all the way down to the low just to get a sense for, oops, the high is not there. Let's escape that. There we go. So the high is here. Excuse me. Apologies for that. All the way down to the low. I mean, this is absolutely pathetic bear flag consolidation, right? It's so far underneath the 38.2. It's basically dead on the lows. There's nothing about this chart that's screaming bullish as of right now. So the question you may be asking is like, okay, is it now a good time to hop in here and, get this on a discount, quote unquote? And I would just say absolutely not. I mean, nothing about this would suggest turnaround just yet. Even if it does do something like that, the risk far outweighs the reward at this point in time, in my estimation, given the amount of damage that was done here and the severity of the catalyst, of course. If they put trials on pause, then, I mean, obviously there's not much that the company can do. Now, I would imagine if there's the reverse of the catalyst, someone comes out and says, okay, you know what, never mind, everything's fine. Maybe there's some sort of uptick, but I would really rely on it breaking a structural pattern before I get bullish in the name. Namely, no pun intended, getting back up and over where it broke down from. 1282 is the line in the sand to the upside. If we can get back above it and produce a higher low, maybe there's an opportunity for this to actually make some forward and upward progress, but that is extremely wishful thinking. So that's all I've got for you inside of TGTX. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.